Alright guys, we got a spoiler alert over here. We got some new products in direct from Mazda. We got a spoiler right here for the RF. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box here. Show you guys what technically that's going to look like on the back of the car. We decided to get parts right here so that way they followed anything OEM, so we can keep it that way. Boom, look at that. It's looking fresh. It's looking fresh. All right, on top of that, we also got a front lip. We can go all the way back here. Excuse the shaky cam. Hopefully it's not so bad, but we have a new OEM lip right here for the front. Obviously, go ahead and throw that back in the box there. Let's see, we can move this off to the side. As you guys can see right there, we're gonna throw this lip right onto here. Essentially, we're going to be removing the OEM little winglets right here on the front, pulling those off, and then this goes on. We already have the brackets and everything set out right here. So we're going to go ahead, get the car up in the air, and then at that point, we'll just kind of show you how do we get this thing installed and show you what it looks like on the car. Alright guys, finished product of the little wing on the back here. It's color matched semi to our new RZ Plus wheels, Meteor Gray Mica. It's very little grayish tint here versus the black of the front lip. We're considering matching all the plastics to this Meteor Gray Mica to match the wheels. We thought that would be a really great touch, but that's what the back of the car looks like right now with the little winglet. Next up, I'm going to throw on that front lip.